Hey, this is the replacement procedure for cassette valence on replacing your motor. And so the first step is taking a look at the side where the motor is, and all you have to do is slide off the cassette. And then now you'll see that there's some screws on the side, and then if you just unscrew this plate, you can take it right off. Okay, so once the cover is off and you've finished unscrewing the side plate, this will reveal the motor. And on the motor, you can actually just pull it right out. And there you have it. So that's the motor for your roller on with the cassette valence. And then you'll take your new motor and then just pop it right back in. And make sure that the bottom is aligned so that the wire is coming out. And then you can go ahead and replace the side plate.